Hi guys, welcome back to Amaze Maths. Today we'll look at decimals, multiplication and division. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's start with multiplication of decimals. So I'll show you different methods of doing it. So first method will be you do long, you do column multiplication, or you can use the lattice method. So we'll just ignore the decimal point. So we do 29 and times 36. So remember, we do the number on top times the number in the unit. So 29 times 6. 6 times 9 is 4. 54. Carry 5. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5, 17. Then the next one will be 29 times 30 because 3 is in the tens value. So 29 times 30. So here already we just put a 0. This one we put a 0 here. And then now we can do 3 times 9 is 27. 7 carry 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. Next step is you add. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 9. 10. Now the next step, final step, is to put the number of decimal places. So this one has 1, 2, and this one has how many decimal places? 1. So we have a total of 3 dp. So to your answer 1044, we do 3 decimal places from here. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 1.044. So second number, so this one you've used the column multiplication or the lattice method. Now the next method you can change to fraction. So change these numbers to fraction. So this is 152 all over 100 because it's 2 dp, 1 and 2. And then this one will be 61 out of 10 because it's 1 decimal place. You go ahead and do 152 times 61. So here let me use the lattice method. So we have 1, 2 and 3. 1, 5 and 2. And then here we have 6, 1. So remember, from diagonal to diagonal, then this one diagonal to diagonal, again that one diagonal to diagonal, and the last one we have that. So 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 1 is 0, 2, and then 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 1 is 0, 5, and then we have 1 times 6 is 0, 6, 1 times 1 is 0, 1. So here we go ahead and we add 2, that is 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 3, 9, and 0. So we have 9272. 9272. 100 times 10 is 1000. So here 1, 2, 3. We move like this. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 9.272. Okay. I hope you're getting the concept now. So 2.4 times 9.3. So ignore the decimal point and do it as a whole number. 24 times 93. So here we have 24 times 3, that is 72, and 24 times 90. Put the 0 there. 9 times 4 is 36. 2 times 9, 18, plus 3, 21. The last step is you add 2, 3, 2 and 2. Then how many decimal point does this question have? It has 2 dp. So we move 1 and 2. 22.32. The last question we have 4 times 12.9. So we write it as 12, 129 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, 11. And then you get 51. 5. so 1 dp would be there, so 51.6. The last topic is on division of decimals. So here we have, so the first thing you do, we have division of decimal, we do 2.25 divided by 0.5. The first thing you do is to write them in this form. And then how are we going to make 0.5 a whole number? That is 5. So we do times 10, and whatever you do at the bottom, do the same thing on top, equivalent fractions. So times 10, this decimal point will move once, making it 5. Decimal point will move here, making it 22.5. So you have 22.5 divided by 5. So the aim is to make this divisor a whole number. Then you go ahead and you can do your bar stop method or your long division. So 22.5 divided by 5. 5 goes into 22 4 times because of 20. And then drop the 5. There's a decimal point, so put the decimal point there. And then 25 5 times. So the answer would be 4.5. 1.842 divided by 1.2. So change to whole number. So we write it in this format, over 1.2. So we do times 10 because it's 1 dp, and times 10 on top. So 1 dp, it moves there, it becomes 12. Then this one, the decimal point will move here, so it becomes 18.42. 18.42 divided by 12, so 12 once, remainder 6, put the decimal point, drop the 4, 60 because of 5, and then 42, drop the 2, 2 got there, wait, did I write the, so 1, 5, so it goes into 36, 3 times, remainder 12 minus 6 is 6. You just add a 0. So you add a 0, you don't need to put another point because you already have the decimal point here. So it goes into 60 5 times. So the answer would be 1.535. So you write it in this format, the 0.0035 divided by 0.7. Make it a whole number, so we do times 10 because it's 1 dp, and times 10, so the decimal point will come here, 0.035 all over 7. 0.035 divided by 7, so it can't go into 0, it can't go into 7, so you put a 0 in the decimal point, so it can't go into 0, again you put a 0. It can't go into 3, so you put a 0. Then that is 35, so it goes into 35 5 times. Last question, so we write it in this format again, 2.25. So here we're doing times 100 because it's 2 dp, so 1 0 2 zeros, so 100. Whatever I do at the bottom, do it the same thing on top. So 1 2, it becomes 1750. 1 2, that becomes 225. Today let's try cross cancellation. So we can divide by 5 because this one ends with 0 and this one ends with 5, so both are divisible by 5. So divide by 5. 5 goes into 17 3 times because of 15, and then there's a remainder of 2. It goes into 25 5 times, and 0. Divide by 5 again as well. 5 goes into 22 4 times, and remainder of 2, and then 25, that is 5. Again divide by 5 because they're both divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 0. 45 divided by 5 is 9. The next step is to do bar stop method. So 70 divided by 9, so that would be 7 times because of 63, minus you get 7 at the decimal point, 70 again, it's 63.7. And if you continue with this one, you just end up with 7.777 like that. But in short, you can write it as 7.7 recurring. So recurring means the number will repeat itself over and over and over. So that marks the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching till the end, and enjoy your day, enjoy your night wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.